Outstanding Palmetto Trace home with recent upgrades and move-in ready. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an open floor plan with split bedrooms and a separate bonus room office. The interior of the home has been freshly painted, the carpet is brand new carpet, and there are all new light fixtures and fans. The kitchen boasts all new Samsung stainless steel appliances and there is a breakfast nook in the large pantry. There are double sinks in the master bath along with a walk-in closet. The covered back porch overlooks the backyard which backs up to a conservation area, so no worries about another home behind you. Palmetto Trace is the ideal family neighborhood with sidewalks, 2 community pools and you're right around the corner from Pier Park and Frank Brown Recreation Park. You're also in a great school district. All info is approximately and must be verified by buyers if important.